Many Instagram users are experiencing a frustrating issue where a red notification badge appears on the Threads icon and simply won't go away, even after checking all notifications. This persistent red badge on the Threads icon continues to show even when there are no new notifications to check. As of August 2025, this issue affects approximately 15 to 20% of Instagram users. The problem became particularly prevalent following the major Threads integration update in early 2025, impacting both iOS and Android users. Meta has officially acknowledged this as a known bug, confirming that it's primarily a server-side synchronization issue rather than a problem with individual devices. The persistent badge issue stems from four main root causes. First, cache corruption occurs when outdated notification data gets stored locally on your device. Second, sync delays happen when there are server-side delays in updating notification status between Instagram and Threads. Third, profile integration issues occur when there are problems with how your Instagram and Threads accounts are linked together. Finally, inconsistent background app refresh can prevent proper synchronization of notification data between the two platforms. Now, let's walk through the most effective quick fix, which has a success rate of 70 to 75%. This method involves unlinking and relinking your Threads profile in the Account Center. Here are the detailed steps to fix the issue. First, open Instagram and navigate to your profile page. Next, tap the three-line hamburger menu, then select Settings and Privacy, followed by Account Center. In the Account Center, select Profiles. You'll see a screen similar to this one, showing your linked Instagram and other accounts. Now temporarily unlink your Threads account, then immediately relink it. Finally, restart both the Instagram and Threads applications. This method successfully resolves the persistent badge issue for most users. The unlinking and relinking process refreshes the connection between your accounts and clears any synchronization problems. When simple fixes don't resolve the persistent Threads badge, we need advanced troubleshooting methods. Let's start with Android cache clearing, which has proven effective for many users. For Android users, navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications, find Instagram and select Storage and Cache. Clear the cache for both Instagram and Threads apps. This method has a 60 to 65% success rate. iOS users have a different approach. The most effective method is to offload the Instagram app completely and then reinstall it from the App Store. This clears all cached data while preserving your login information. Another effective approach is resetting your notification settings. This method works by forcing the apps to reestablish their notification synchronization from scratch. The most effective method is a complete reset, which has an 85 to 90% success rate. This comprehensive approach addresses all potential synchronization issues between Instagram and Threads. To prevent the badge issue from recurring, follow these best practices. Regular maintenance and careful app management can significantly reduce the likelihood of experiencing this problem again.